ask you something. Do you say, she is more beautiful than her sister, or she is beautiful more than her sister? Do you say, this is the most tallest building, or this is the tallest building? Many learners get confused with adjectives. But don't worry. In today's episode, we will make adjectives clear and simple for you. Hello, and welcome to episode 13 of the Solo English podcast. In this lesson, we will talk about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us more about people, places, and things. Without adjectives, sentences can feel plain and boring. With adjectives, sentences become colorful and interesting. Let's learn how to use them correctly. Adjectives are describing words. They answer questions like, what kind? How many? Which one? For example, a beautiful flower, a red car, 3 small apples, an interesting book. Here, the adjectives are beautiful, red, small, and interesting. Adjectives can be divided into different types. Descriptive adjectives, they describe qualities. Example, tall, short, happy, sad. Quantitative adjectives, they tell us about quantity. Example, some, many, few, several. Demonstrative adjectives, they point to something. Example, this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives, they show belonging. Example, my, your, his, her, their. Interrogative adjectives, they are used in questions. Example, which, what, whose. Adjectives usually come before a noun. Examples, a big house, a small cat, a delicious cake. They can also come after a verb like be, seem, or look. Examples, the house is big, the cat looks small, the cake tastes delicious. When we use more than one adjective, there is a natural order. The general order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, noun. Example, a beautiful big old round red Italian wooden dining table. It sounds long, but the order makes it natural. If we say, a wooden big Italian red table, it sounds strange. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two things. We usually add or use the word more. Examples, tall, taller, big, bigger, beautiful, more beautiful. Examples in sentences, she is taller than her brother. This house is bigger than that one. The movie is more interesting than the book. Superlative adjectives are used to compare more than two things. We usually add est or use the word most. Examples, tall, tallest, big, biggest, beautiful, most beautiful. Examples in sentences, she is the tallest girl in the class. This is the biggest cake I have ever seen. That was the most exciting trip of my life. Many learners confuse adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples, she is a careful driver. Adjective describes driver. She drives carefully. Adverb describes drives. Another example, the test was easy. Adjective, she solved it easily. Adverb, we can use words to make adjectives stronger or weaker. These are called intensifiers. Examples, very, she is very tall. Quite, the movie is quite interesting. Extremely, The food was extremely delicious. He is a little tired. 2. The bag is too heavy to carry. Mistake 1. Saying more better. Correct. Just say better, not more better. Mistake 2. Saying the most tallest. Correct. Just say the tallest. Mistake 3. Confusing adjectives with adverbs. Wrong. She sings beautiful. Correct. She sings beautifully. Wrong. He is happily. Correct. He is happy. Let's practice with examples. Describe this sentence, the car. It can become the red car, or the fast red car, or the fast new red car. Practice building longer descriptions step by step. Adjectives describe nouns. They can tell us qualities, numbers, and possession. They come before nouns or after verbs. We use comparative and superlative forms to compare. We must be careful not to mix adjectives and adverbs. And we should avoid common mistakes like more better. Thank you for listening to episode 13 of the Solo English podcast. In the next episode, we will talk about adverbs and how to use them correctly. See you in episode 14.